Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access ChatGPT in India. Well, guess what? It's already available. As we speak, they've added in ChatGPT in India, but they've also allowed you to upgrade to the Plus method. So how you get into ChatGPT, may I ask? You type OpenAI. If you don't have an account, sign up. Now make sure that you sign up with your email address and not your phone number. Your email address is going to be much faster to do and also much easier for you guys. Continue with Google and you're going to log in. If you want to upgrade to Plus from India, you do the same thing. Press upgrade to Plus, upgrade plan, put in all of your details. Now, not sure if if ChatGPT allows Indian cards, but if not, you can always use PayPal. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.